2021 Chevy Camaro 4-cylinder turbo. There's the downpipe. There's the stock catalytic converter. Downpipe with 3-inch pipe all the way. Then they put it down to 2-inch. I have no idea why, but you know, engineers for you. There's that gigantic muffler we just took off, and tailpipes and tips. And this is not our work. This is from the factory. This is what it looks like. I don't know why. But what we did on it, we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and cut this gigantic muffler off and put 4-inch tips, double walled, there and there. We'll see if we have a link in the description for it for you guys. That's how you do a muffler delete on these 4-cylinder turbos. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And share. 2011 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on it. There's the rear mufflers we cut off, or resonators, sorry. Everybody calls them differently. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side. Right there and right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. It used to have an X pipe here and 2 resonators in the middle there. We cut both of those off and we true dualed it. So basically it's true dualed all the way back. And then we did a rear muffler delete, which are those 2 over there. We cut that one off and that one off. And then reused his tips. This one and that one. He's gonna come back, he's gonna put some tips that have that shoot fire. He's gonna order them and we're gonna put them in. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Keeps us going. And there's the H pipe and the mid resonators that we cut off. Right there. There it is, what it looks like after. I'll let you guys hear in a second. 2011 Chevy Camaro convertible SS 6.2 liter V8. Beast of a motor. Got 4 converters. It's a California edition. 2 here, 2 there. Then it had an X pipe in it, but he said it wasn't loud enough, so we did an X pipe delete right there. It's true dualed it all the way back, and then we got another surprise. The true duals here was done earlier by somebody else a few years ago, and then we put some 5-inch angle cut tips to really fit the holes in there. Came out really beautiful. We angled the tips a little bit. It just flows with the turn, the roundness of it, there and there. Chevy Camaro SS. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
20 Chevy Camaro ZL1 6.2 liter. Supercharged. So has the stock cats right there and right there. What we installed was a catback AWE system from right there all the way back. There's the AWE. We'll see if we can find it on Amazon. If we can, we'll link it below. It goes into an X pipe, dualed out into black tips. This is all complete with the AWE system. We welded everything. We don't really use clamps except for the front in case he wants to remove them in the future. There you go, there's the ZL1. It's gonna sound phenomenal.
You can hear the whistle a little bit. Give it gas. Higher. It's right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Still sounds pretty good, even though it's a 4-cylinder, but it's okay. I like the whistle. Not too bad. Chevy Camaro 4-cylinder turbo. Not bad. Still neat. It's not raspy. than the V6s. I like it. You can actually hear it now. Let you guys hear on the inside. Back it up. 124. That is loud. Woo. The wax in my ears is coming out. It's so loud. It's loud. Wow. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear it. And this is everything we cut off right there. X-pipe, tips. Look at those tiny tips that were on it. Nobody likes those. We're like 5-inch, 6-inch. Don't you guys agree? Hit the like button. Go ahead. Customer agrees. Hell yeah. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. It's 116. Not bad at all. I love it. That's everything we cut off right there. Just in case you cut through the video. Oh, that sounds so good. We definitely got what he wanted. He wanted it loud. We made it louder. Because it was already straight pipe, but it wasn't loud enough. That X-pipe really restricted the sound. Chevy Camaro True Dual. Straight pipe. Does it have a cold air intake? That helps a lot too. More air in. Better sound out. Let you hear it on the inside. Decibels. You can feel it in your chest. That is a badass sound. Wow. Here's the idle. I like the look of them, the sleek look. much, you know?
That's what we just did. Can you see?
Camaro 2021. Rear muffler delete and 4-inch tips.
That's all we wanted, man.
Chevy Camaro V6. True dual straight pipe.
It's still here. That's awesome.
Chevy Camaro SS. Convertible. Here it is at idle. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. I love it. True dual straight pipe with 5-inch dip.
Yeah, that's a sexy color. With that lime green.